Hi there, this is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook, and in today's video tutorial I will be showing you how to do an alternate chain 3. The alternate chain 3 is a good stitch to do to create a nice even edge here on whatever you're working on, whether it's a scarf, a hat, anything that you're working on that you want to have a nice even edge to. Chain 3s are good, or chain 4, which usually the alternate chain 3 is used in place of a triple crochet or in place of a chain 4. So as you can see here, I have a swatch that I did with the chain 4 as my turning rows. And as you can see here, you have like a hole or a gap right here that's created on your edges. So again, we're going to do an alternate chain 3 to create a nice even edge here. So as you can see, I made a little swatch here of we're doing triple crochets because that's what's best for alternate chain 3. So what you're going to do is you're going to do your triple crochet. So you yarn over twice, go into your stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And there's a triple crochet. Okay, so we're gonna yarn over twice, go into our stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through last 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the last one here. Okay, so instead of chaining 4, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our work. We're not gonna chain at all. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go into that first stitch here, and then we're just going to yarn over and pull our yarn through. We have 2 loops on our hook, and then we're just going to yarn over, pull through like you would like creating a single crochet. Okay, so as you can see here, there are 2 loops here from your first stitch. So what we're going to do is we are going to go into that second loop there. Okay, and then we're going to yarn over and pull through. And there you see we have 2 loops in our hook, and we're going to yarn over, pull through those. And then we're going to do the same thing we did previously, is we're going to go into that second loop there, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. Okay, and there you have your alternate chain 3, and as you can see, you have a nice tall stitch there, and it's nice and flat and even. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the end of the row here with my triples, just to give you a demonstration of what it's going to look like, because you are creating whatever you're designing, whatever you're crocheting. I just want to show you the nice edges here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at the end of the row, and I did a alternate chain 3 there. Okay, so you can see the nice even row. So what you're going to do is you're just going to do a triple crochet in the top of that alternate chain 3. And it kind of looks like a single crochet there. And that's okay. That's exactly what you want to go into. So you're going to go through both of those loops there. Yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, and there you see you have your nice even edge for your gauge. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more time, and then if you need to, you can watch the video over again. So you're going to turn your work. You're going to do a single crochet in that first stitch. And then you're going to go into that second loop there, yarn over, pull through. Got 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both loops, and then you're going to go in that second loop again. So yarn over, pull through, got 2, yarn over, pull through, and there you have your alternate chain 3. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can find my video libraries for my left-handed video tutorials. If you'd like to see any stitches or tips or tricks, please let me know in the comments. I would be happy to get that for you. Again, my name is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook.